Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, specifically the renewed version bundled with the f/m15 to 45mm lens kit in a sleek white finish. This camera packs a punch with its 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, giving you crisp and detailed images across various lighting conditions. One of the highlights here is the Digic 8 image processor coupled with an auto lighting optimizer, ensuring your shots maintain great quality and clarity. The improved dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF is a game-changer, especially for both stills and movie shooting in servo AF mode. For videographers, the 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p capabilities are impressive, allowing for stunning slow-motion footage. Plus, the vari-angle touchscreen LCD adds versatility, making it ideal for vlogging and experimenting with different compositions. What's interesting about this kit is that it's Amazon renewed, meaning it's been professionally inspected and tested to work and look like new. So, if you're on the lookout for a reliable and quality camera at a potentially better price point, this might be a solid option to consider. Overall, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II renewed kit offers a compelling mix of features for both photography enthusiasts and content creators, and it's definitely worth exploring if you're in the market for a versatile camera setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.